Under Customer First principle, ACE Machinery that has conducted consistent R&D based on diligence and trust and led development of products takes responsibility of fabric developing and dyeing processing field. Our company has consistently made efforts for development of products and R&D to meet customers' needs and become to lead machinery business world based on the efforts. ACE dyeing machine is very economical, and thanks to development of specialized high-temperature drainage equipments, it reduces time for dyeing by more than 20%, and it is an energy-saving machine capable of making a liquid ratio 1:5. ACE Jumbo Reel Dyeing Machine is able to dye various materials such as polyester, knit, spandex, etc., and it reduces tension of reel and fabric. It minimizes friction and wrinkle. And as its head is placed lower than other dyeing machines, it is designed for workers to use it conveniently. In addition, as soft nozzle is applied to it, we reduce remarkably obstacle factors like fluff and piling of fabrics. ACE Jet Dyeing Machine has a specially structured rear basket reducing tanglement of fabrics by loading them in a steady way, and it is able to dye polyester rayon, union cloth, and so on. Also, it can conduct softening and fabric relaxation. ACE Big Jumbo Dyeing Machine is a versatile machine. One vessel, 2 nozzle system, can dye a lot of fabrics. Since it is designed in a way operating softly, it is outstanding for preventing fabrics from friction and wrinkle. Also, thanks to square nozzle on the entrance, it minimizes tanglement and friction, so it can produce high-quality dyed fabrics. In addition, because it has fast fabric speed, it is economical by improving quality and increasing volumes of production. As ACE berrystar machine makes rayon, nylon synthetic fabrics, etc. that were produced in a circular knitting machine pass through a cylinder, it is able to water set them without cutting. As it is designed and manufactured by upgrading existing 2 balls to 3 balls, it improves efficiency by increasing productivity by 30%. And thanks to water setting, it can produce high-quality products. Touch of fabrics is soft. As ACE Relaxer Machine is a product that resolved subdivision of spandex fabrics. It is a product showing technical skills of ACE Machinery. Thanks to tension-free adjusting device, it prevents fabrics from being pushed and pulled, so it can produce high-quality products. Also, as the Vibro washer maximizes washing efficiency, it can produce the highest quality products. For customer first and quality first principle, ACE Machinery promises you that you will make consistent efforts and become a global company leading world fabric market.